Hey, Sarah and Chris. Yeah, here in Old Town Pasadena, they got hail. They also got rain, which happened in a lot of other places that we checked out today. A wild day.
We need a canoe.
A much better mode of transportation than cars for these flooded streets. Talk to the folks here in North Hollywood. They'll tell you this is nothing new when this happens.
Yeah, it's usually like this when it rains.
Here at Lancashire and Vineland, it's not just the streets that flood. Sidewalks do too. Although Andrea found a detour that fit her perfectly.
Yes, tiny feet.
Not just heavy rain with this system. Hail pounded roofs from Laurel Canyon to Pasadena, among other places. In Eagle Rock, the slippery 134 made safe travel a little tricky. At the Studio City Farmers Market, they proudly boast their event goes on every Sunday, regardless of conditions.
Rain or shine, but it's a little too cold out right now.
Lillian Latran says it was a sunny Sunday when she got here.
It was for a split second, and then it all came down. my shopping trip got cut short.
She said she was pleased to make one purchase before getting pelted. Saying soggy peanuts just won't sell, these vendors figured they'd have been nuts to stay, so they packed their peanuts and headed home. Many braved the rain, though, and not so natural waterfalls. Business had been booming in this coffee brewing tent.
It was great this morning when it wasn't raining, but you know, when it gets rainy, everyone disperses.
There's a reason for that, apparently. Even this non-native knows what makes us Angelinos run. Away.
LA people do not like the rain or the cold weather.
Yeah, she's from Australia, Chris and Sarah, but I think she's absolutely right. I gotta admit, it is getting cold right now, and I don't like it.